Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of a service indicator, of an oil indicator of a Peugeot 108 2014 model. I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this indicator manually. So start our YouTube channel Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 300 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Any questions, any comments, use the commentary and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. We have to use this area over here. There are two buttons over here, left and the right one. We're gonna use the right one. First of all, turn the we have to have the main odometer over here. Press the right button to have the main odometer. Once it's there, turn the ignition off, then press the right button again. Keep pressing that while you turn or press the ignition on to the second position, like this. And you just hold it, and as you can see, the odometer starts blinking, and when it starts blinking and stops blinking, you can let go the button on the right side, turn the ignition off, and the indicator is gone now. So once again, have the main odometer over here, press or turn the ignition off, press the right button, press or turn the ignition on to the second position, keep pressing the right button till the main odometer starts blinking. You can let go when it starts blinking, wait for it to stop blinking, and once it stops blinking, you can turn the ignition off, and the surface or the oil indicator must have been reset. That was it for today. Thank you for your time and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.